Or like, oh my God, it's gonna take forever. Yeah, I don't want you to leave a slug trail. Stimulate the matrix. Is like, okay, so naked nails, gotta oil. So while I'm chatting with you, I'm gonna oil, and I want you guys to see that how easy this is. A lot of people are like, oh my God, it's gonna take forever. No, you just sit there and you just rub it real quick if you don't have time. You know, if you've got lots of time, you can sit there and work it all into the different areas around your skin and blah, blah, blah. But a lot of times I don't have time. So it's a quick swipe, cram that underneath your nails, because yes, it's very important to do the underside as well. There we go. One hand's done. Okay. Hello, Mrs. Stransky. It's been a while since I've seen you. How are you? Olga, hello. Hey, Liliums. Helene, right? Did I get it right? Man, it's crazy for me to try and remember everybody's names. Oh, thank you, Mrs. Stransky. Yes, I'm feeling kind of pretty today. Anyway, okay, you guys are so awesome. Hiya, what have you missed? Me just bantering and blah. Blah. Not much. I usually kind of do some funky weird chatting, and so I was showing you guys how I oil, and so I just sit there and I rub, and till I kind of feel like it's rubbed in and you start to feel slippery. You don't want to feel oily. I see a lot of gals who post their pictures and I'm like, oh, you needed to rub that in more. Rub it into your skin. You don't want to be this glossy, shiny thing. That doesn't help us. And so it's actually better to oil your nails several times a day and use only like 3 or 4 drops. If even, no, actually with the pen, 3 or 4 clicks. It's not even drops. So I don't even know if you're using an entire drop for all 10 nails. That's why people are surprised. These pens last forever. And a lot of people don't realize, and they don't hear it very often, don't use my product too much. A lot of people do. And I mean, yeah, I like you to buy it, but I don't want you to be greasy. I don't want you to leave a slug trail all across the room and the keyboard and all of your things. No. And so you just rub this extra into your hands. It's good for it. And if you stimulate the matrix back here, this is where your nail cells grow. And so if you rub that area just for a little bit, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, then you're increasing blood flow. And blood flow is what makes your body make better nail cells. So I hope that helps. Michelle, I do that about 5 times a day. Is that too much? No. So I'm guessing you're talking about oiling your nails. No, you really can't do it too much unless you are massaging your matrix too much and it's kind of irritating your skin. Then yeah, you kind of can. But in terms of massaging the oil onto your nail plate, no. And you do oil over your polish or your acrylic or your gel as well, because the oil, remember I was talking about little holes in things? So the oil can penetrate into the top surface of your product, your nail enhancement product. It cannot penetrate all the way through it to your nail plate. So a lot of people ask me when they're gonna do a get naked challenge or something, can I do it with polish on? No, there's a reason it's called get naked. Because in order for the oil to actually penetrate into your nail plate and make it more flexible and stronger, they've got to be naked. But it actually, the oil does penetrate into the top surface of your gel, your polish, your acrylic, and it keeps it more flexible. It increases the plasticity of the product. And so, you know, have you ever worn, if you've gotten a manicure to last like 10 days and you've noticed that like after about day 7, you start getting these little microscopic cracks? Not microscopic because you can actually see them. but you get these teeny little cracks, especially in your polish. And that's just because the product has dried out, and when you've been doing things and your nails have bent, it's kind of cracked the product. So anyway, oil's a very good thing.